Weak accounts payable capabilities cripples payments, vendor relations and cash controls. Teams lacking fluency around approvals, inventory, duplicate payments cause severe inefficiencies. For example, a customer analytics launch stalled from unpaid vendor invoices due to approval gaps. Millions wasted from inflated or fraudulent purchases without policy enforcement. Transform accounts payable capabilities with this training program. Cross-train team members with core techniques to uphold seamless operations. For example, vendor master data foundations and queries to maintain continuity. Approval hierarchies and invoice processing to enable spending control. Audit practices that ensure integrity while accelerating turnaround. These accounts payable best practices increase productivity up to 50% through automation and consistency. Restore working capital through duplicate payment elimination. Uphold relationships and continuity through organized processes. Individually, employees are cross-trained to deliver expanding value. Positioned to navigate accounts payable complexities confidently, becoming experts equipped even as organizations scale. Enroll now to build resilient and productive accounts payable infrastructures. Strengthen individual expertise and optimization.